Union Minister Anurag Thakur is with us, who has just concluded his Vijay Sankalp Yatra in Hamirpur. Anurag ji, for the fifth time, you are seeking people's mandate here, and we covered your entire roadshow, and the people who were part of it, it seems they were hugely supporting you. What was your ground assessment this time around?
I think this is Modi ji's charisma and the love for Prime Minister Modi, that people have hit the roads in thousands and thousands. Like you can't find an inch to stand. That is the kind of enthusiasm, that is the kind of crowd we have seen on the streets of Hamirpur. And that clearly shows that people have made their mind to bring back Modi government with 400 plus seats. And last time also we have contributed 4 out of 4 seats. And this time also Himachal is ready to hit a 4 and 6.
And you were trending also on social media because of your...
I couldn't see my phone, but thanks to all the supporters, fans and the well-wishers who have tweeted and supported.
And don't you find it a challenge when you have a chief minister and deputy chief minister both from your Lok Sabha?
I think I've contested also at that time when there was a Congress government and Shri Veerbhadra Singh ji was the CM, and he put all his efforts to beat me, make me lose, but his wife lost, I won.
Amidst all, Arvind Kejriwal is out on bail, interim bail, and he's saying that his party, in fact opposition, they are together. They are saying that this is the victory which they have got from the Supreme Court.
See, interim bail with a condition. He can't see the files, he can't go to the CM office, he can't make a comment on the liquor scam, and he can't meet the people who are involved in the liquor scam, and also he has to surrender and go back to jail on 2nd of June. It's an interim bail like been given to P. Chidambaram, Sonia Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji and Lalu ji and so many people who are facing the corruption charges but also out on interim bail.
Coming back to your constituency, what are the issues on the ground? National issues are major concern for people, or local issues are at the helm?
This election is mainly for making a stable government in the center. Continuity and stability is very important, and for that we need Prime Minister Modi. We have seen how India progressed in last 10 years when there was a stable government and a strong leader at the helm of the affairs, and how India progressed from the fragile 5 economies to the first 5 economies. And India want to progress further. Modi will make a hat-trick by winning this election, and India will become the 3rd largest economy in the next 3 years.
Last 2 questions. Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has said that when Jairam Thakur, your government, was in power in the state, nothing was done for Hamirpur.
I think some people have a habit of lying. For example, in Hamirpur we got the medical college sanction, the money got sanctioned, the foundation stone also laid by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he claims that he's got the medical college. What a pity. He's got nothing to showcase. 16 months of his government, he's got nothing to showcase. Just accusing and abusing others want help. I can say I made a AIMS hospital worth 1700 crore rupees, PGI center worth 500 crores, medical college 300 crore rupees plus 300 bed facility, Central University, Technical University, Triple IT, NIT, Hydrogen Engineering College, Kendriya Vidyalayas, 4-lane highways, railways. That is what we have done, and we proudly say for the sports also we have done a lot. But he's got nothing to say. That is why Congress is losing. They got no vision, no ambition, and also no achievement.
Last question. Don't you think this election is now becoming a matter of religion? People are not talking about agendas, they are talking about religion, like we are seeing what is happening in the Congress party.
Let me answer it in a very small note. If your property is threatened, what will you do? Suppose you own something and somebody wants to do a survey on all your property, on your assets, and say the minorities will have a first right, especially the Muslim. What do you think what's going to happen? Why are you working for? What are you working for? You're already paying your taxes. And why your property, your money should be taken and the assets of this country should be given on the basis of if you have more wives, more children. Is that the criteria? And we are asking Congress time and again, but they are unable to answer.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That was Union Minister Anurag Thakur speaking to CNN News 18.